lead for
between Marley Monserrat and Mia Tuaninga, and right now the connection between Corey Lewis and Monserrat doesn't feel as solid, maybe because the setter position has been mixed up a little bit.
Wanted up there by Yosia. On the run, there she is again. Good cover by an eye. There's Lewis out of the middle. Shampoo tracks it down. Abercrombie got it over. Timmer dug by an eye. Abercrombie deserved every bit of that.
And Amy Pauley, the head coach for the Valkyries, literally fell to her knees to celebrate after that play. Incredible. It helps that Abercrombie has such long arms, but that's that never say die kind of mentality.